Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions, where we're all about making remote work easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. Whether you're new to working from home or have been doing it for a while, we're here to help you maximize your productivity, stay motivated, and create a balanced work-life routine.
Making money from home with AI is a trend that's rapidly growing, and it's not hard to see why. With the advancements in artificial intelligence, the possibilities are endless. From automating tasks to generating new income streams, AI has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for those willing to take the leap. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to make money with AI is knowing where to start. There's so much misinformation out there, and it's easy to get caught up in scams or schemes that promise the world but deliver nothing. Another challenge is having the right skills. AI can be intimidating, especially for those who aren't tech savvy. And even when you do have the skills, it can be tough to find legitimate platforms and tools that actually work. Many people also struggle with the idea that AI is going to replace human jobs and that it's somehow cheating to use AI to make money. But the truth is, AI is just a tool. And like any tool, it's up to us to use it responsibly. And as for jobs, while AI may replace some, it's also creating new opportunities that didn't exist before. The key is to adapt and learn how to work with AI rather than against it. Finally, there's the challenge of actually making money. It's not just about having the right skills or tools, it's about having a solid plan and putting in the effort to see it through. With so many distractions and shiny objects out there, it can be tough to stay focused and motivated. But what if I told you that there are AI tools and platforms out there that can help you monetize your skills or start new projects? Tools like language translation software, content generators, and virtual assistants can help you automate tasks and free up time to focus on the things that matter. Platforms like freelance marketplaces and online courses can connect you with clients and students who are willing to pay for your expertise. For example, I know someone who used AI-powered language translation software to offer translation services to clients, and now they're making a full-time income from home. I've also seen people use AI-generated content to create ebooks, courses, and even entire businesses. And with virtual assistants, the possibilities are endless. From scheduling appointments to managing social media, the right VA can be a game changer. One of the most powerful insights I've learned about making money with AI is that it's not just about the tools themselves, but about how you use them. It's about finding the things that you're good at and using AI to amplify those strengths. It's about being willing to learn and adapt and staying ahead of the curve. And most importantly, it's about being patient and persistent. Making money with AI isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Another key insight is that AI is all about data. The more data you have, the more effective your AI tools will be. So it's essential to focus on collecting and utilizing data in your business, whether it's through feedback forms, analytics, or even just good old-fashioned customer interactions. The more data you have, the better your AI will be at helping you make money. And finally, I've learned that making money with AI is all about experimentation and creativity. It's about trying new things, taking risks, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about looking at problems from different angles and finding innovative solutions, whether it's using AI to generate new product ideas or creating entire businesses around AI-generated content. The possibilities are endless. So to sum it up, making money with AI from home is a real possibility, but it requires effort, patience, and persistence. It requires being willing to learn and adapt and staying ahead of the curve. And most importantly, it requires finding the right tools and platforms and using them to amplify your strengths. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite AI tool or platform, and how do you use it to make money from home? Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be diving deeper into the world of AI and income streams.
What is AI, and how does it fit into our lives today? This question may seem a bit futuristic, like something out of a science fiction novel. But the truth is, artificial intelligence, or AI, is already very much a part of our everyday lives, and its influence continues to grow. In essence, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. It's the technology behind your voice-activated virtual assistant, the recommendation system on your favorite streaming service, and even the autopilot on modern aircraft. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about the job market. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field, and many companies are on the lookout for talent. Here are 10 notable companies that offer AI jobs, along with whether they require experience or not. First up is Google. As one of the leading tech giants globally, Google has a wide range of AI roles, from software engineering to research. They typically look for individuals who have experience in the field, but they also offer internships for those looking to break into the industry. Next, we have Microsoft. They're big on AI and have numerous positions available. Like Google, Microsoft generally prefers individuals with experience, but they also provide entry-level positions and internships. Third is Amazon. They use AI extensively in their operations, and they are always hiring. They offer both experienced and entry-level positions, making them a great choice for those at any stage of their career. IBM is fourth on our list. A veteran in the tech industry, IBM has a strong focus on AI. They offer roles for both experienced professionals and those just starting out. Coming in at number 5 is Facebook, now known as Meta. They're heavily invested in AI, particularly in relation to virtual and augmented reality. They typically look for experienced individuals, but they also offer internships. Sixth is Apple. Known for their innovative products, Apple is a great place for AI enthusiasts. They generally require experience, but they also have entry-level positions. Number 7 is Tesla. As a leader in electric vehicles, Tesla uses AI in many aspects of their operations. They offer positions for experienced professionals, but they also have opportunities for those new to the field. 8th is Baidu, a leading Chinese tech company. They're making significant strides in AI and offer positions for both experienced and inexperienced individuals. 9th is Alibaba. Another Chinese tech giant, Alibaba uses AI in various areas, from e-commerce to cloud computing. They offer roles for both experienced professionals and newbies. Finally, at number 10, we have NVIDIA. Known for their graphics processing units, NVIDIA is also heavily involved in AI. They offer positions for experienced individuals, but they also have internships available. To summarize, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that is already a significant part of our everyday lives. Many companies, from tech giants like Google and Microsoft to innovators like Tesla and NVIDIA, are on the lookout for AI talent. While most of these companies prefer individuals with experience, many also offer entry-level positions and internships, providing opportunities for anyone interested in breaking into the field. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive while working from home. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and take care.